What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today is hopefully tune day if it doesn't rain, but if it does rain, then obviously this video will still be tune day. But today is Saturday. Today is the day I'm supposed to go down to my man Jason's to get this street tune going. I'm finally going to be installing my catch can that I used some leftover wrinkled black paint that I had to make it look dope. What do you guys think? I did a good job? I mean, there's some imperfections, like on this brass fitting right here and right there, but all in all, I think I did a pretty decent job for just brushing it so I can have it ready to go. I cleaned out the inside of it so it ain't like no paint contaminants or any stuff like that. But we're gonna get this installed today. The only thing I have to do is figure out where I'm gonna have this thing mounted because I really don't have enough room in my engine bay. But we're gonna get to that later because I have to jack up the car and put in this VR1 oil and the oil filter, so let's get to it.
If you take the 8 bars of somebody rhyming and if it's like on a high level, it's kind of very similar to some of the drum patterns that people like Kenny Clark.
Kind of sucks not having like a little tripod to like show you guys like when I'm doing all the stuff, but yeah, I mean all the times I've done this, but I don't know. I just wish I had like a little tripod so I could make the video. Shut the hell up and drain this oil. Okay, I got you. Smell like E85. Wow, that gas smelled just like E85. Huh? I only put the oil filter on just for it to start to rain, so I didn't put the oil in yet. Florida's just the most dumbest state in the entire world. How about we start a petition to cancel Florida so we don't have to deal with this crap anymore? Well, don't you look at that? It stopped raining. Well, sprinkle a little bit, but hey, bro, just because I can't swim doesn't mean I can't get wet. Tell your girl that. Hold on. Put my 4.5 quarts of oil in. Now, install the catch can, and then from there, wait till rain to get off, and then up to Prestige Motorsports. I personally do not like the way my catch can is mounted, but I have no choice until I do a battery delete to put the big boxy one there. So for temporary placement, it's gonna stay here because I have nowhere else to put it. I don't want to put it here because that'd look stupid. I don't want to put it here because that'd look stupid. So I think there, since it's black, all you will just see is a black filter. I wish I could stand it up, but I can't unless I make like a bigger baseboard for the battery to extend it, the tray, so it can just sit perfectly flush up. I tried mounting it to the back, but I can't because my heater core hose, whatever thing that I can't even see it, but that's blocking it from actually it standing straight. But that should still be good, man. Like, hopefully that's good. But with enough talking, let's start the actual process of getting this car tuned. It's about that time, boys! Go or blow season! Let's see what Christina does. Me and Rainier are en route to Prestige Motorsports. Get this street tune popping. Sun's about to set. Racers are out. Let's get it. He joined the fast life. We made it to the shop. We got Mr. Jason. Then we got Mr. Rob. Rob, where your Civic at, bro? Huh? Where your car at?
My Civic's at the crib.
It's ready? It's riding?
It's driving.
Oh!
I just can't get the clutch to bleed properly.
That boy Jason joined the open downpipe game. I've never seen Jason's EF. What is it, 400 horsepower, Jason? Huh? 400 horsepower?
It makes 6 to 4.
6? Single cam making 6. Damn! So like after 5 minutes of about to go to the good gas from the racetrack, I got hit. You see the light, Randy? Christina has been hit, bro, but yeah, there's some good tire letters, bro. Oh, shout out to Trevor. Damn.
She hit that bitch.
Yeah, my lug nut hit.
That shit took a hit. Oh,
Functioning form. Look, but look.
She jumped on the top of your car.
Facts. So yeah, that's what happened to the Integra. Dang, this is the second tune day I had where something just hit the fan. So I came to the gas station to get some gas because I'm still gonna street tune, of course. You know what I'm saying? Like, a little fender bend ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying, restrict me. So this is basically all the damage that I have. I'm gonna need a new front bumper, crash beam, and a fender. The hood got nicked right here, but I'm just gonna see if when I take it back to the paint place, if they could just like, I don't know. I'll probably just leave it like that because I mean it ain't too big to notice or whatever. Adds character. Yeah, the splitter's fine. The lip, oh well, the lip's broken. I think this time I'm gonna see if Omar will be gracious enough to come through with that Type R lip. So Mr. Omar, I think I'm gonna need that Type R lip off you, bro. Treadwear is the best tire leather company in the world because like that's all the damage I got from my tire leathers. Like they're still on. That can easily be cleaned off. Rhoda is a really good wheel too. People talk shit about rotors all day, but that's all the damage I got. 2 bent lug nuts. That's it. Everything else is still fine. Yeah, so it just sucks that I gotta get another fender. I gotta find an OEM bumper. I am not getting the one you see on eBay without the Integra badge here. I want that Integra thing there. And yeah, so that's pretty much all the damage. The PCI side skirt's still good. I'm still good there, so that's all good. Gotta time it. It's off. How many teeth you think it's off by?
I know like 3 so far, but we're gonna double check.
Well, we timed it. Timing's off.
Let's see.
Time is not hard though. When we first came, I got the motor. We timed it good.
Mine was on point every time. Mine.
Yeah.
You either put a distributor wave like this, something. Oh, definitely.
All right, so I'm off a tooth, and I'm off the tooth by the intake side because I just learned that the distributor's all the way retarded, which means it's, well, you can see how where it's pushed. That means the side that's off. 11:41, about to get ready to go tune this thing. What happened?
Split that thing. A spinner. Told you?
No way. No way. Oh, the bumper. We're back in action. I found a 10mm bolt. Hopefully we'll be good. Gotta wait for all these cars so we can merge on. Continue the tune.
Off a couplet.
That coupler just blew off right after I said we good to go. Damn. Problems, bro. Zosh built. Is hitting VTEC?
Nah.
Oh, you disabled it or something?
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure my shit still hold up good. The car drives straight?
Yeah.
Wow. Cool. Alternator nut. Top and bottom came loose. My alternator's loose. And a long way from Jason's shop.
drove a car from Miami like this.
For real?
Yeah, bro. My belt fell off. I used my pants belt. That shit fell off. I had to do this shit all the way home.
Feels better now?
Yeah.
Finally hear my blow-off valve, kind of.
On the side of the road.
On side of 95, getting that street tune. I mean, that two-step action. Two-step while doing a pull. Happens when you don't have a speed sensor. That shit sounds so good, dog. Just finished up the street tune. It's 3:13 in the morning. We have an hour road trip home. So safe travels for me and my boy Randy. And see you guys in the morning and show you guys the damage in daylight and stuff like that and talk about what happened and all the other stuff. So, alright, so it's the next day. Well, the same morning, I guess. I don't know, hours later. Now we could really see the damage in the daylight. So this is all what happened last night. Signal light's gone. Headlight bracket can actually go back on. Surprisingly, like that can actually go back on. But I'm just getting new headlights. Bumper is completely done, like right here. I thought it could be salvageable, but that is bad. And that right there is bad. That right there is bad. Fender's done. Fender is done, but that's not bad paint job, bro. Cause look, most of this stuff can buff out. Fender right here is messed up, but that's only the damage I got. Luckily, no damage here. I'm glad it's only front end stuff, like stuff that can easily be fixed. My hood did get like a nice little chip in it where you can see the carbon fiber, but I'm not gonna worry about it because I can't find another hood like this. And if I do, it's gonna be on VIS website for like almost $1,000, and your boy ain't got $1,000 for no hood. So work with what I got. Just get a bumper replaced, fender, headlight, and then repaint it. So, all right, so let me tell you guys exactly what happened. So it was around like 10 o'clock. I'm about to go to the racetrack gas station to get some E85 in so we can go for the street tuning, right? My tuning would go get food, Randy stayed back, and I was with my boy Rob. So me and Rob was headed to the racetrack. It was like a 3-minute drive down the road. So as I'm, about to go into the intersection, no cars are coming. Literally, no cars are coming. So when you go into the intersection, you look both ways and see something, right? No cars. So as I'm slowly merging into the second lane, boom, I got hit. Like the lady was, bro. This lady, she was in the third lane. She was flying over. I guess she thought I was gonna go in the third lane or whatever. So she flew over to the second lane and then clipped me, and then that's what happened. And the only thing sucky about this is when I renewed my insurance, I didn't get full coverage because, bro, they were trying to tax me. Your boy ain't about to pay no $350 for no full coverage insurance on a 97 Integra, nah. And my license is good. I don't get tickets and stuff like that. I was like, nah. So I just went with the basic stuff, and I still pay half of that, so I pay $150 a month for my insurance. But hopefully, with the graces of God, it will be covered. But if not, then there's no big deal. I just gotta source out a front bumper, a driver fender, which I can get off eBay for like $46. So the fender's good. All I really need, if you guys have, is a 98 to 01 front bumper that's OEM with working flat with not broken mounting tabs on the side where you mount it to the fender. So if you guys have a bumper out there in South Florida area and you want to contribute to my glow up again, let me know. I'll buy it off you. Or hopefully it's a reasonable price. And Omar, if you watching, bro, I need that Type R lip, bro. Help a brother out. But I did get the cartoon last night. Jason said from his butt dyno, I'm still pushing around 3 something, so that's cool. Car's tuned, car drives great. The wheel wasn't bent. Like, I just had 2 bent lug nuts. Just the lug nuts, actually, the studs are good, but the lug nuts are just bent. So that's good. Shout out to Road and Function Form for keeping me still driving straight and on the road. And yeah, so I think that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the tuning process of the video. I suck that I crashed the car and stuff like that. But and I know my Send the Ride Out the Block gang wants to help out in any way, shape, or form getting Christina back. So if you do, I'll have some stickers available. I don't know if it'll be when this video goes out, but check back on the website or check back on my community tab here on YouTube. I'll have some Make Christina Great Again campaign stickers or something like that. Shout out to my man Philip for helping me for that. And merch will be coming, shirts. Actually, hold on, let me show you guys something real quick. Okay, so this is one of the shirts that I have coming up on the line. Let me know if you guys like it. It's just like my slap sticker. It's a long sleeve. Nothing on the back, just says Marauder on the front like I had the slap sticker. Let me know if you guys like this. All I have to do is hit the release button and these will go live. I didn't design this hoodie, okay? I'm not a hype beast to design this, but the company that I was doing my merch did send me this as like a design if I should want to release it, but I was like, nah bro, that's way too hype beast. But I don't know, what do you guys think? You think it's dope? I could release like a small run of them. But that's gonna do for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Yeah, kind of sucky about the accident thing, but hey bro, ain't no stress on me, Lord, 'cause I'm moving forward. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.